Now, I was sent this iSmart 800 Pro BT bidirectional scan tool to check out for you. Now, I am a simple DIY, do-it-yourself kind of guy. Got a couple of cars, help maintain my sister's cars, and having a scan tool is vital for me. And when I was presented with this one, I really was excited because it basically is a professional unit and it's easy to understand from a simple guy like me that does simple things like resets codes, troubleshoot some basic electrical issues, and kind of gives me a sense of what I need to fix, or gives me more information that if I need to go to a more experienced mechanic, we're able to communicate and understand the issues. This way we fix the problem and diagnose it right. And this scan tool, if you're probably a professional, this will be super handy for you. And a DIYer, it was easy for me to get in, connect it, update it, and I like the remote access that the car has. You plug in the sensor into the port and you're wireless with the 7-inch pad. And it has a little stand that you kick it out. You could sit it up in the under the hood on the dash. You could stand away from the car running test and have all the functions in the palm of your hand. Super clear screen, intuitive, simple to scroll through and go from screen to screen with the touch button screen. And having it not wired to the car kind of makes it convenient because you're just that more flexible and got that much more range. Now, the tests are unbelievable. 4,000 plus active tests. You can do all systems diagnostic, ECU coding. It has topology technology mapping, and it supports even EV cars, which is beyond my pay scale, which I don't even get paid. So it's a universal fit, and they give you 3 years of free updates and remote help. So there's no subscriptions, no fees. They back it with a lifetime technical support from VIDENT. And I've had a flash VIDENT scanner that uses your phone with an app before, and I was very happy with it. So this unit is like 10 times more capable. You could do online and offline ECU coding. It just doesn't scan. You're able to go deeper into diagnostics and finding out what really is the problem and what's going on. It's great for 130 car brands, 10,000 plus vehicles, 15 plus languages, 40 plus maintenance services, which includes ABS bleeding, crank relearn, injector coding, oil reset, BMS reset, even things that I didn't even think that you could test. Apparently, you could test with this. So CVT oil pressure calibration, I never even knew that was a thing. Transmission quick learn, injector kill test, fuel trim reset. All these tests that probably confuse a lot of DIYers like me, but the simple test that I know, it does the job just fine. And it will, if I get more educated and dive deeper into diagnostics, this is more than capable. And it's more than capable even for a seasoned professional. So if you have this unit and if you don't know all the features, you have a friend that's more educated, you have this, he could come over and help you out because you will have the proper tool and platform to dig deep into diagnostics. So this is one of the best coders that I ever had. It comes with a nice hard shell case with multiple hookups, and It's everything that you basically need. I mean, you could probably run a mechanic shop with this and do very well. I don't see the reason why you can't. It's very easy to handle, well protected. The remote access is very convenient. I would just purchase with confidence and put it in your shopping cart, and hopefully you don't have to fix your car, but if you do, you got the right tool.